with Niki when Mommy came in.
Kids, you were so nice and helped us so much that we decided to prepare you a surprise.
What surprise, Mommy?
We've decided to buy new toys for you.
Hooray!
Let's go to the kids' supermarket with toys. On our way, we will make the shopping list.
I.
Choose Nikita's mood for today. What would you... We have 5 things in the list.
Buy only things that we need. The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Musketeer's hat.
I have nice helpers.
Toy bazooka.
Well, such a variety of goods. Put back the things we don't need. Hurry up!
Skate.
Such a variety of goods. Do we need this?
Red spinner. Blue spinner. Red spinner. Red spinner.
I have nice helpers.
Kids' fairy tales.
You are the best. I have nice helpers. The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Kids' fairy tales.
Do we need this? Such an effective shopping. Buy only things that we need. Buy only things that we need.
Pay for your goods, please. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3, 4 products. Nikita failed to find something from the list.
What attraction do you want to visit today?
Yay!
Yeah!
Hurrah! And me. Hooray! Yes! Yes! And
Yeah!
We liked it! Let's go there one more time!
If you want to buy a full version of the game with bonus...
You need to put all the toys to their places. Move goods to their places. Tap the door to open it. Tap the door to close it.
Who ordered a hot, tasty pizza?
I want. And me.
Tap any of the pizza margherita.
It's high time to go to the supermarket. I've made a shopping list for you. Who wants to help me?
I want. And me.
Choose Nikita's mood for... We have 5 things in the list.
Buy only things that we need. Where is the list? Hurry up! Hurry up!
Use mozzarella. Crab meat.
Well! Buy only things that we need. Where is the list? Well! I have nice helpers. Buy
Blue pot. Milk.
I have nice helpers. Do we need this? You are the best.
Feet.
Do we need this?
Pay for your goods, please. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products, 5 products. You bought everything that I've asked for. Cheers!
What attraction do you want to visit today?
I want.
And roll it out. Cut the edges of the duck. Connect all the ducks in the correct order. Put sauce on the duck. Move saucepan to the duck. Choose the ingredient you need and add the correct amount. Put pizza in the oven. Wait a little. Get the pizza from the oven. Cut pizza to pieces. Use knife and choose where to cut. To cut, free the knife. Pizza specially for you.
It was super cool. Great.
Have a nice meal and good day.
Nom 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 nom.